In this module, we're going to set up our project architecture for Fresh MVVM based XAML Forms application. So let me go to the Visual Studio. And there, inside this solution and inside our project, we have these XAML files which I have created earlier. But now we don't need this, because we're going to start working with the model, view and view model pattern. And it means we will add all the necessary code in their respective folders. So what I'm going to do is, I will delete these files, and right after that, just right click on the project and add new folder and just name it models. Then I'm going to add another folder and name it views. Similarly, let's add one more folder, and this time I'm going to name it view models. Alright, so far so good. Now let me explain the working of these folders. Well, this model folder will contain all our C# classes. And in this view model folder, we basically add view model classes that are responsible to get data from the model classes and to communicate with their respective views. And this view folder will contain all our XAML pages. Earlier you have seen that we have added the XAML page directly inside this project. But now, whenever we will add the XAML page, we will put that XAML file in this views folder. Now we have set up our project folders for MVVM pattern. But in case of Fresh MVVM, we need to change few things. So in Fresh MVVM, models remains the same. But in case of views, we have pages. And in case of view models, we have page models. Well, we have to follow this naming convention. So here all we need to do is just name this view models folder to page models. And then rename this views folder to pages folder. The working remains the same. We have just renamed these folders. Alright. So far we have just set up the folders inside our project. Now we're going to set up our first page inside this project. So let's go to the pages folder, and there I'm going to create a new content page and name it welcome page. Now for every page, we need to make a page model, or in simple words, we need to make a view model. So all we need to do is just go to this page models folder, and there let's add a new class and name it welcome page model. Alright, now in order to make this welcome page as a root page of our application, we need to go to this app.xaml.cs file, and there inside the constructor, let's make this welcome page as a main page of our application. Also, make sure to add this namespace, because this welcome page is now placed inside this pages folder, and it means we need to add the following namespace. Alright. Now let me run this application, and here on the device you'll see that we have this welcome page. Alright. Now let's understand the commanding and iNotify property change in the next module.